Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to live a healthier and happier life. Today, we have something incredibly important to discuss: how to tackle those pesky alcohol cravings. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into our top 5 tips that will help you get rid of alcohol cravings once and for all. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Did you know that dehydration can intensify alcohol cravings? That's right. So, make sure you stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Not only will this keep your body well balanced, but it will also help curb those cravings and keep them at bay. Tip number 2, find healthy alternatives. Who says you can't enjoy a delicious drink without alcohol? Get creative and explore the world of mocktails and non-alcoholic beverages. They're not only refreshing but can also give you that sense of relaxation you might be seeking without the negative consequences of alcohol. Cheers to healthier choices. Tip number 3, create a supportive network. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or even join a support group. Having people who understand your struggles and can provide encouragement will make a world of difference. Together, you can overcome those cravings and build a strong foundation for a healthier lifestyle. Tip number 4, engage in physical activities. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Engaging in physical activities not only releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones, but it also distracts you from those alcohol cravings. Whether it's going for a jog, hitting the gym, or practicing yoga, find something you enjoy and get moving. Your body and mind will thank you. Tip number 5, practice mindfulness. Take a moment to be present and practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help you gain control over your cravings. By being aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can acknowledge those cravings without giving in to them. Remember, you are stronger than you think. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 tips to get rid of alcohol cravings. By staying hydrated, finding healthy alternatives, creating a supportive network, engaging in physical activities, and practicing mindfulness, you'll be well on your way to a life free from those alcohol cravings. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible tips on living a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong and keep those cravings at bay.